Most people ask ChatGPT for YouTube advice, get a decent answer, and then the context disappears. I did something different. I didn't use ChatGPT to get YouTube advice. I used it to hire an AI producer. This is Storywells. It's the AI producer I built for this channel. Its job is to help me develop video ideas, titles, thumbnails, hooks, scripts, retention plans, and production workflows. But this video is not about making a few markdown files. It's about turning scattered strategy material into a reusable AI staff member with context, workflows, and operating rules. The problem with normal ChatGPT advice is that it does not carry forward. You ask a question, get an answer, maybe copy a few bullets, and next time you start from zero again. That is fine for quick answers, but it is not how you build AI staff. So I used a different workflow. The raw material was YouTube strategy videos. I found videos about growing a channel, packaging ideas, improving retention, writing stronger hooks, and thinking more clearly about content. Then I grabbed the transcripts. That mattered because I did not want to work from memory. I wanted the actual material from the videos. Then I pasted those transcripts into ChatGPT and used it as a distillation layer. At this stage, ChatGPT's job was simple. Pull out the useful lessons. Not create the channel, not make all the decisions, just compress the raw material into something I could review. Then came the important human part. I went through the summaries and selected the advice that actually mattered for my channel. Some advice was useful but too generic. Some did not fit the kind of videos I want to make. Some was interesting but not important right now. So I chose the parts I wanted to become part of the system. Then I combined those selected ideas into a larger strategy document. That document covered channel positioning, video ideas, titles and packaging, thumbnail direction, hooks and intros, transcript structure, retention, pacing, and production planning. It also included how to reframe tool-first topics into stronger stories. Because this channel is not about random AI tools. The bigger story is building a one-human company run by AI agents. Once the strategy document was clear, I used ChatGPT again. But this time, the goal was not advice. The goal was to turn the strategy into markdown files that could become the agent's operating context. So the strategy became files for workflows, positioning, video ideas, titles, thumbnails, hooks, intros, retention, storyboards, storage rules, and future video plans. Those files became the working context for Storywells. Then I loaded that context into the agent, and that became Storywells, the AI producer for this channel. Now, when I want to make a video, I am not starting with a blank conversation. I am working with an AI staff member that already understands the channel strategy. It understands the positioning, the packaging rules, the types of videos I am making, and how each video should connect to the bigger story. That is the difference. One-off answers disappear. AI staff carry context forward. Storywells does not replace my judgment. I still choose the ideas. I still decide what matters. I still make the final call. But now, the strategy does not reset every time I open a new chat. The system remembers the operating context and helps me apply it to the next video. That is why this is not a ChatGPT tutorial. This is a proof of work episode. I took YouTube videos, turned them into transcripts, turned the transcripts into summaries, selected the useful advice, turned that into markdown files, and use those files to create Storywells. The result is a specialized AI producer that helps me make future videos without starting from scratch. And this is the model I want to keep building. Not one giant chatbot trying to do everything. Specific agents with specific jobs. Storywells is the YouTube producer. Later, there could be a research agent, an editing agent, an operations agent, and more. That is the channel. Building a one-human company run by AI agents. And this is the first real example. The point is not better prompts. The point is not markdown files. The goal is to turn knowledge into workers.